हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ मेरे टॉप 12 परफ्यूम रिकमेंडेशंस लेकर आई हूँ फॉर मदर्स डे। सो यू कैन यूज दीज एज अ सजेस्टिव गिफ्ट्स फॉर योर मॉम ऑन दिस मदर्स डे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो इन जनरल बिफोर आई शेयर ऑल द परफ्यूम्स विथ यू, ये जितने ही परफ्यूम्स हैं एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन, they all have a very kind of like a warm, cuddly, cozy vibe to them, or they are like very soft, they are very nurturing, they have a powdery feel. Something on those lines is what I have consolidated and compiled. And you know, I have tried to cover different scent profiles. थोड़े से florals लिए हैं, थोड़े से sweet लिए हैं, थोड़े से mix of both kind of लिए हैं. तो आई होप कि आपको ये recommendations पसंद आएंगे. So let's start with the first one. So the first one that I want to talk about is from the Body Shop and this one is Shea. इसकी पैकेजिंग हाल ही में मतलब रिसेंटली चेंज हुई है, but the fragrance remains the same. And this is a very gorgeous, a very warm, cozy, cuddly, like I mentioned, kind of a fragrance. This does have floral notes to it, but it comes out to be a very nutty, floral, bright and sweet kind of a fragrance. It has shea nuts, shea butter to it, some peony and osmanthus. So सिर्फ ये चार ही dominating notes हैं इसमें जो इस सेंट प्रोफाइल को डिफाइन करते हैं. इसके जो फ्लोरल नोट्स हैं वो बहुत सॉफ्ट हैं, दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट, दे आर वेरी बेबी पाउडर लाइक, एंड दिस फ्रेग्रेंस ऑल इन ऑल हैज अ डिस्टिंक्ट वार्मथ टू इट. मुझे ये परफ्यूम अपने डेली बेसिस, डेली चोर्स में लगाना बहुत पसंद है. I love putting this on when I'm playing around with my daughter. She is 2 years old and I don't want to put anything which is very sharp on her nose. So around her I try to put very soft fragrances. This is one of my cozy fragrances that I like to put on, and I also love this kind of a fragrance on my mom. I find this to be one of the best recommendations for Mother's Day. And since this brand is the Body Shop, the ingredients that are acquired are also done in a way that it does not harm nature. So all the Body Shop products, like they use more organic stuff, and they grow those organic stuff so that it doesn't disturb the nature, and उनके packaging भी बहुत recyclable and all होते हैं. So if you want to support a brand like that, I think the Body Shop fragrances are a good way to go, and overall I absolutely love this one. इसकी longevity performance is not that great. It is a mist, so you will get around 2 to 3 hours if you spray around 6 sprays of this perfume. So consider 2 sprays as equal to 1 hour. Next, I'm going to jump right into a floral fruity category perfume, and this is one of my favorite ones from the fruity floral category. This is called as Chalice and this is from Remy Marquis. Now you can see the dent, right? I'm just left with literally one usage of this perfume. Only this much is left, and this is like, I think this is my 6th or 7th bottle of this perfume. I find this to be super gorgeous, kind of like a soft, sexy fragrance as well. I will tell you the notes of this one and then I'll explain further. This one has fruity notes, cyclamen, lavender, rose, magnolia and peony, musk, amber and patchouli. This one has powderiness, it has earthiness, fruitiness, floral accords, and overall this is such a beautiful kind of like a very different sort of a fruity floral. This has some resemblance to Calvin and Klein's Euphoria fragrance, पर Euphoria fragrance में pomegranate का एक बहुत ही prominent note है जो मुझे इसमें थोड़ा सा कम मिलता है. So it's not like a dupe situation, but it is more like a 80% same DNA. This is beautiful, it is affordable and long lasting. This is everything that I need in my fragrance. Again, this has a very fresh, a very delicate, yet a kind of like a soft sensual vibe to it, and it also has some cozy vibes to it. So I feel that this is again like a perfect Mother's Day gift. This used to be my signature scent, and अभी मेरे collection में बहुत ज़्यादा perfumes आ गए हैं, तो this has taken kind of like a back seat, but there are days when I just want to apply this perfume and this perfume only, because it just triggers some memories for me. So this will always be in my collection, and I am almost running out of it, so I'm going to place an order immediately after this video is done. The next perfume that I want to talk about is from Police, and this one is Police to be tattoo art. This one is a very sweet, powdery, kind of like a sugared marshmallowy kind of a ooey gooey fragrance. This has a very soft floral notes to it and a very kind of like a very powdery, sugary sweetness to it. The notes for this one is maple sap, plum, apple blossom, freesia, sweet notes, heliotrope, violet, wild rose, jasmine, marshmallow, musk, sandalwood, and cedar. So from the notes breakdown, you already know what you're getting in this one. I find this to be super soft, super nurturing, very kind of like a delicate fragrance. I love wearing this during daytime. This is a very comforting fragrance according to me, because this is not at all harsh. This is very sensitive. This is very cute kind of a fragrance, very delicate, very powdery. This literally reminds me of a very soft and sweet baby powder because of that sugar elements and that powdery marshmallow elements in this. I tend to wear this a lot when I'm around my daughter. I just enjoy how soft and that delicate wisp that I get throughout the day when I wear this one. So I enjoy wearing this one around my daughter. This is not a very long wearing kind of a fragrance, so you definitely need to overspray this one. I usually put around 6 to 7 sprays of this one to get a longevity of around 4 hours. This is not a super projective fragrance. It has a very soft projection, a very close to skin kind of a fragrance, but it is so comforting that I enjoy this one so much. This is also good for people who have sensitive noses, and this is very good perfume for a new mommy, somebody who's just started her journey. I think this is a very gorgeous new mommy fragrance. Next one is from Armaf, and this is Club de Nuit Imperial. I love the packaging of this one because it just has like a rainbow colors going on. This one is a rose dominating fragrance which has sweetness of lychee. So the notes breakdown for this one is lychee, nutmeg, bergamot, Turkish rose, vanilla, musk, peony, vanilla, incense, cashmere, and cedar. So as from the notes you can see that this one has a very juiciness of lychee. It has some tart and spicy opening. The rose in this is super dominating, and again like that musk, vanilla, incense, they bring in some powderiness in this fragrance. This is a very sweet rose, like a jammy rose kind of a fragrance, and it's fresh, it is sweet, it is rosy, it is romantic kind of a fragrance. Fragrance itself feels very soft, but it is very projective, it is very long lasting, and it is superb in the performance. This is also a huge compliment getter for me, and I think I would absolutely love my mom to smell like this, because this is classy, it's mature, and it is not at all dated. Like, it has a very modern twist to it, so I think this will be very suitable for her. I also enjoy this one through and through. I think this is one of the best perfumes in my collection, and this is my go-to whenever I'm going to office, chores, even in the house. If I'm just running around and doing the chores, this is the perfume that I wear, and I get tons of compliments when I wear this outside. Overall, I think this is one of the best gift options out there. And also the whole packaging, the way it looks, the weightage, the quality, the bottle, the juice, everything is like a gifting option here. My next recommendation is from Plum Goodness, and this one is Smokin' Vanilla. Now this is a very affordable fragrance, and you can see the massive dent that I have put in here. This one is one of the most easy reach fragrances for me. So this is one of those perfumes which kind of is always sitting there in my purse, and whenever I'm going out, this is the one that I carry. So you can see the amount of dent that I've given here, because I literally apply this every 3 hours. I don't find this long lasting enough or projective enough, so I like to refresh this fragrance again and again. And by the way, this one is a very gorgeous floral, vanillic, smoky perfume. I'll tell you the notes breakdown for this one. It has honeysuckle and woody notes. It has vanilla and balsam and white musk and amber. So it definitely has a smokiness to it. It has some warmth of amber in it. The juice color can tell you a lot of things right here. The vanilla in this is pretty strong, but so are the floral notes. The honeysuckle is the strongest note I feel in this fragrance. I definitely enjoy using this on everyday basis when I'm going out. It is a very easy reach fragrance, like I said earlier, and the dent is telling you a lot of things. One of my favorite go-to fragrances. I just am disappointed with the way it performs, but the scent profile is super gorgeous. My next pick is from Lattafa, and this is Lattafa Tous. Now this is a very gorgeous kind of like a tropical, sweet, fruity, coconutty, white floral fragrance. So let me tell you the notes breakdown of this one. It has mango, coconut, passion fruit, jasmine, heliotrope, orange blossom, vanilla, cashmere, and musk. So from the notes breakdown, you already know this is tropical, very sweet, mango dominating fragrance. The passion fruit also does not fade away in this one. Because of the cashmere and musk, this is definitely a powdery fragrance as well. But it is very uplifting, very fruity, very happy. Very sunshiny kind of a fragrance. It is very relaxing. It feels like a vacation in a bottle to me. The white florals in this are pretty dominating, which makes this fragrance very bright. But the use of mango note in this is something that I love the most. I really enjoy using this during daytime, and I find this again to be very powdery and nurturing kind of a fragrance. This is very soft and delicate, and overall I just love the feel that this one has. This is more like a happy fragrance for me, like, you know, the feeling that you get when you're around your kids, you're seeing them happy and chirpy. This is just happiness and sunshine in a bottle. Next one is from Nude Perfumes, and this is called as Love Swan. I have recently reviewed this on my channel. Now this is a very kind of like a amber woody fragrance with touch of soft Indian spices in this. This is sweet. It kind of gives me you know, a ginger cardamom tea vibe, and you know, it is very warm. It is very comforting sort of a fragrance. Nose breakdown for this one is cardamom, ginger, incense, vanilla absolute, sandalwood, Bulgarian rose, jasmine, sambac absolute, vanilla, Mysore sandal, and benzoin. This one is very sweet. The vanilla is very strong along with the cardamom and ginger. It literally feels like a vanilla flavored tea, like chai, vanilla chai to me. And this reminds me of very cozy evenings, very cozy, cuddly, very warm hug kind of fragrance. And I have recently discovered this, and you can see the dent that I've put in. And I definitely want to purchase like a full bottle of this one, because this is one of the most comforting fragrances that I've come across. It just reminds me of cozy weather, or it's like raining heavily outside, and sitting in my blanket and I'm watching some show or something like that. So it's a very kind of like a Netflix chill kind of fragrance, and I find this to be very, very warm and, you know, cute and cuddly sort of. Perfume is the performance. It just keeps projecting throughout the day. Around 6 to 7 you know, sprays of this is sufficient to take me through 7 hours, and the projection is just very soft. It's very comforting, and it is quite continuous because you'll keep getting the wisp of this every 10 to 15 minutes. So I like the way it projects. It's not something that will disturb others or fill the room or project very heavily to 2 feet or something. No, but it just has a good encapsulation, a good perfume bubble around me. It's again a coconut dominating fragrance, and this one is from Latafa. This is called as Khaid Al Farsan Unlimited. I don't think I've done a review of this perfume on my channel yet, but I will be coming soon with the review for this one. This is again a coconut dominating fragrance with lots of pineapple and kind of like yellow florals to it. The notes breakdown for this one is coconut, citruses, pineapple, middle notes of ylang ylang, jasmine, and frangipani, base notes of vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. So you can definitely see that the florals are quite dominating in this one, but so is the pineapple. This is a very, very, very creamy coconut fragrance, and if you are not into the lactonic creamy fragrances, you may not like this one. But since it is something related to, you know, Mother's Day, and something related to what you can give to your mom or what you want to smell like as a mom, this is one of the most kind of like a realistic coconut fragrance. It's comforting, it's cozy, it's light, it's very creamy, it's lactonic, and this definitely reminds me of like a baby powder, or more like a baby formula milk, because it just has that lactonic feel to it. This reminds me of newborns. This perfume has a very innocent vibe to it, just like how kids are, and it just feels very nurturing. It feels like a suntan lotion. It definitely has like a tropical suntan lotion vibe to it, and I think that's what attracts me the most, because I just find it to be very cozy in that case. And I have been enjoying this fragrance through and through in this summer. I highly recommend you to get this one. If you are into coconut fragrances, out of all the perfumes that I've shown you, I find this one to be the best coconut fragrance so far. Again, not a safe blind buy because it's very creamy and lactonic. Only if you like that milky use in your perfume, go for this one. My next recommendation is from Paris Corner, and this one is called as December Vanilla. This one is a dupe for Kayali Vanilla Sugar Patchouli fragrance, and this is a very close dupe to it. In fact, it's slightly even better. And the notes for this one is rum, vanilla orchid, jasmine, vanilla, spicy notes, leather, tonka bean, rose creme brulee, brown sugar, amber oud, patchouli, sugar, musk. So you can see the heavy notes that are in here, and that's exactly what this is. This is a very heavy, a very deep, a very spicy yet sweet yet cozy yet warm vanilla fragrance. It's quite heavy on patchouli, so there is like earthiness and kind of like woodiness in this fragrance, all combined together. This has a very royal vibe to it. So from the notes, you already know this is like a very heavy, you know, deep, dark fragrance. And, you know, it just has a lot of character to this fragrance. And that's what motherhood is also all about. It's not just about, you know, caring and upbringing, but it's also taking a stance and decision making and pushing your kids towards something that they feel underconfident about, you know, being the decision maker, making those tough choices. So it's about that also. So I just wanted to keep an empowering perfume also in the list. And on the same on the same notion, I also want to talk about this perfume, which is from Bella Vita Luxury. This is CEO Women. This is also like a badass mommy or like a boss lady CEO kind of a fragrance. This is earthy, sweet, very heavy on patchouli, woody, kind of a fragrance. In this, there is like a very prominent deep dark plum note, which is just quite gothic in a way. And again, this one is a very empowering perfume. So like I said earlier when I started the video, I just don't want to put all the nurturing sort of fragrances in here. I also want to put on some options which are kind of like deep, darker and boss lady sorts. So I think these two would qualify that category. Now the next perfume that I want to talk about is from Riffs, and this one is Luxury Vert. This is a dupe for Armani Privé line Vert Malachite. Now you really need to love yellow florals, especially Ylang Ylang, to appreciate this fragrance. It is very strong perfume also. The notes breakdown for this one is bitter orange and petite grain, jasmine sambac, Ylang Ylang pink pepper, lily, vanilla and benzoin. This one is a very kind of like a bright, a very uplifting, a very happy fragrance, and definitely this is a long wearing fragrance as well, and decent projective fragrance. You really need to love yellow florals to appreciate this perfume. I don't find this to be a safe blind buy. You really need to be into white and yellow florals to like this one. It does have a slight oily feel in this fragrance for some reason. I believe Ylang Ylang is doing that, but it feels like a kind of like a floral oily fragrance to me. So keep that in mind. Again, this one is a very gorgeous, a sunshine happy fragrance, and I absolutely love this one. The full review for this one is yet to come on my channel, so you need to stay tuned for knowing my entire thoughts around this fragrance. I'm still kind of like trying this, but I felt that this was so beautiful, and definitely I wanted to include it in this list, in this compilation. This compilation would not have been completed if I wouldn't have included this one, to be honest. Been truly enjoying this one a lot, and again a very affordable category fragrance with good longevity and good projection. Last recommendation had to be a little hatke sort of a perfume, and this is what it is. It is from Paris Corner. This one is called as Eternal Meadows. I've never experienced a perfume like this, and this is one of the most unique fragrances in my collection right now. And trust me, I have around 180 to 200 bottles right now, and this is one of the most unique ones, and I'll tell you a reason for it. It has something called as a fougere notes, which basically translates to something like fern. So this one is kind of like a green leafy yet like fresh yet sweet, yet woody kind of a fragrance. I just find it very difficult to explain how this fragrance is, but I can just say a freshly cut leaf dipped into vanilla and some woodiness is what makes this perfume. Notes breakdown for this one is Fougere Accords lavender, cedar, woody leaves, Oriental Accords vanilla, woods and patchouli, lavender and dry amber, and that's exactly what this fragrance is all about. It is very gorgeous, kind of like a leafy, fresh, sweet, powdery kind of a perfume out. This definitely has like a hint of, just a little bit hint of you know, aftershave to it. So it does have like a hint of masculine touch in this. So this for me is a very gorgeous, delicate as well as a strong perfume, which is a very weird combination. And I find this to be super for a gifting purpose for Mother's Day, because you know, we are all like, we are delicate, we are sensitive, but we are very strong also. So I kind of feel that this is very appropriate. So you know, this perfume has a distinct calmness to it. It has a very green leafy accord with a lot of sweetness, but it also has like woodiness, maturity, lavender and calmness to it. Like, this blend in itself is so peaceful to put on. It just feels like how a relaxed mind and relaxed body would feel like. So a very different take and a very different perfume, something which is super unique, super relaxing. It literally reminds me of a very relaxing spa day. So overall, I just feel that this is very unique and it had to make it to this list. So that completes today's video. Those were all the 12 perfume recommendations for Mother's Day. I hope that you find something from this list appropriate enough to gift it to your mom, based on how your mom's nature is and what her likings are. And I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you feel like, then please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.